Is Bitcoin breaking out in this moment? We will talk about in this video and much more. So stay tuned until the end. For now, we can see we somehow broke out of this very strong downtrend here. Like we can see it. Let me quickly show it right here. We had this big downtrend here, guys. We can see it. This was since the 9th of October. We had this downtrend and we broke out of it, which is quite positive. We saw also a $4,000 move to the upside. Right now, we are trying to turn this zone into support zone again. Let's see if it will happen or not. As we know, this support zone was holding for quite a long time. I think a couple of months. We can actually see it even here on the daily. It was holding since April basically. This strong support zone here, we can see it. We had one touch point here, then we bounced back, then again another touch point here in September, and here we also found a good base there after the liquidation crash just a couple of days ago. So now let's see, are we gonna have another big move to the upside or what is gonna happen? On the daily we can see we didn't close above this line yet, so we still have to be cautious right now. The markets are still very uncertain. I wouldn't jump into any high leverage positions. I would wait for the right opportunity for sure. Now let's look here on the 4 hourly. We can see we are almost getting overbought right here, so we need to be cautious. Now it's not the time to open a long position. So usually what you want to see during this kind of breakouts, you would definitely want to see a nice confirmation of the breakout. So usually this would look like this. Let's say we are breaking out right here, then we are going and touching this zone again, testing the support, and then having another higher high. That's what I would like to see in the upcoming days. That would confirm the new uptrend as well. Or we could also just straight on full boot mode go above the 117. That would indicate also a very nice trend reversal back to the upside. Before that, it's still waiting time right now. We had a nice pump today. Many altcoins are in the green also, which is quite positive for everybody out there who is invested in the crypto space. We can see some of them are up 10%, almost like Link here, and that's definitely some good news for everybody out there. The market is not finished yet, it's not over. That's what I also said 2 weeks ago after the big liquidation crash. Now we still have a lot of gains to be made in the next upcoming months. Now it's the fourth quarter, guys, and usually the fourth quarter before Christmas, that's the best quarter for the financial markets and also for all the other businesses as well. There is a lot of e-commerce businesses, direct sales businesses, and other type of retail businesses. They are doing usually most of their revenue in the fourth quarter, and we will definitely take advantage of this fourth quarter to multiply our capital like we are always doing right here. So let's look also at Ethereum here above $4,000 right here. We are basically also trying to break out now. We haven't broke out of this zone right here, or have we? Yeah, Ethereum also broke out of this downtrend here. Looks quite nice. I still think we will probably see another confirmation of the breakout if we are not going to go above this zone. We have to either go to $4,200, then we will create a new uptrend, or we will confirm the breakout right here at around $3,800, and that's where I'm probably gonna open a new Ethereum position if I'm gonna see a nice bounce with volume confirmation there. If there is no good volume and no nice confirmation there, I would still wait for my entry target that I've talked in my previous videos at around $3,400. For now, it's still patience time. Patience is key in the crypto space. Don't chase trades. Just wait for the right trading setup. And right now, I don't see any right trading setup that will multiply my capital. For now, I'm still waiting. We can see here, it looks definitely better than 10 days ago, but that is to be decided after this breakout. Is it going to be a fake out, or is it going to be a real breakout with another higher high soon? Let's see. For now, we see we didn't really create the higher high here yet, so we are basically still on this resistance zone here. We have to wait it out and see what will happen in the upcoming days. We also have the rumor about the interest cut this week. This might spark the bulls and bring some new liquidity into the financial markets. We will see that in the next upcoming days. Besides that, let's also quickly talk about the altcoins here. Solana, pretty quiet today. We can see it had a nice bounce here from 176, pump to 190, around 10% on Solana, which is quite nice just in the last 3 days since Friday. So if you have been buying Solana, I mentioned I added some more to my spot Solana position. If you added something as well, congratulations to all of you out there. But right now, it might be actually a good time to take some profits on Solana, or not yet. We're not overbought it, so I think we can still run a little bit higher for Solana. Maybe even touch the $205 zone right here, and then we will have to make a decision if we're gonna take some profits or we are gonna wait it out. Let's see. That's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.